Today, we're exploring Hiroshima, a city known for its profound message of peace and resilience. Hiroshima's story is both heartbreaking and inspiring. The city was devastated by an atomic bomb in 1945, but it has since transformed into a symbol of peace and recovery. The Peace Memorial Park is a must visit, dedicated to the victims and promoting a message of global peace. Be sure to check out the Atomic Bomb Dome, a significant reminder of the bombing and the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It stands as a powerful reminder of the past and a call for a future without nuclear weapons. For a touch of hope and beauty, visit the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum, which offers a moving account of the city's history and its journey toward reconciliation and renewal. Explore Hiroshima and experience its remarkable story of strength and hope. Au revoir and keep exploring.